Hi children, welcome back to your science class. In the last class we started block 8 living things. We discussed what are the important features of living thing. In today's class we are going to discuss about difference between plants and animals. As we all know, plants and animals are living things. How these plants are different from animals. That is we are going to learn in today's class. Okay, so we can find out the difference between plants and animals. Okay, so how the plants are different from animals. So first the difference we can find in their breathing, the way they breathe. How we know both plants and animals are breathing, isn't it? But the way they are breathing is different. How they are breathing. Okay, so first we can discuss how the plants are breathing. Okay, so plants breathe through their leaves. We already studied plants breathe through their leaves. When I taught you about leaves, I taught you how does the plant breathe. So plant breathe through their leaves. Okay, what will be in the case of animals? Yes, in the case of animals, they breathe through different organs. That means, for example, humans breathe through our nose. We breathe through our nose. And nose and lungs help us to breathe. Okay, in the case of fish, which part help them to breathe? Yes, they use gills. Gills help them to breathe. Okay, in the case of some animals breathe through their skin. For example, frog is breathing through their skin. Okay, so we can find the animals are breathing through different body parts. They use different body parts to breathe. Okay, so we can say the animals breathe through breathe by nose, gills or skin. Okay, so different animals breathe through different part of their body. Okay, so we know animals like fish breathe through their gills, and then we humans and some other animals breathe by their nose, and we know some animals breathe by their skin also. For example, we can say frog. That is why it can live in both land and water. Okay, so how the plants and animals are breathe, the way they breathe are different. So that is the first difference between plants and animals. Okay, so how do the plants and animals are different? So first difference we can say breathing, the way they breathe are different. Okay, so plants breathe by their leaves. Animals breathe by their nose, gills or skin. Okay, so that is the one difference between animals and plants. Got it? The next difference, the way they reproduce. How the plants reproduce? Yes, plants reproduce by their seeds. Okay, plants reproduce by seeds. Okay, so how does the plants reproduce? Plants reproduce by seeds. I already taught you seeds grow into a new plant, isn't it? So the plants reproduce by seeds. But in the case of animals, how the animals reproduce? Animals reproduce by laying egg or giving birth to their young ones. Okay, so how do the animals reproduce? Animals reproduce by lay egg or giving birth. Okay, give birth to their young ones. That is there are two ways the animals are reproducing. Okay, so the way they reproduce also different. Okay, so plants reproduce. How do the plants reproduce? Plants reproduce by their seeds. Okay, they grow from the seeds. And animals reproduce by two ways we studied. Some animals reproduce by laying egg and some animals reproduce by giving birth to their young ones. Okay, so that is the second difference between plants and animals. The way they reproduce are different. Okay, the next difference we can see, the plants prepare their own food. Okay, plants cook food. Plants cook food by their own. Cook food by their own. But in the case of animals, animals cannot prepare their own food. What they do? Yes, animals eat plants or other animals. Okay. So what is the next difference? Yes, animals. Animals eat. Animals cannot prepare their own food. Animals eat plants or other animals. Plants or other animals. Okay. That is the way only animals get their food. Okay, so another difference. So next difference we can find that plants cook food by their own. Plants can prepare their own food. We know leaves cook food, we studied. So plants cook food by their own, but animals cannot prepare their own food. Animals are eating plants or other animals. That is the another difference between plants and animals. Okay, then we can find out one more difference. See children, plants cannot move from one place to another place. Okay, it cannot move. Cannot move from one place to cannot move from one place to another place. From one place to another place. To another place. But in the case of animals, animals can move, isn't it? Animals can move from one place to another place. Animals can move. Okay, so that are the some difference between plants and animals. So what are the differences we told? Yes, lastly we told the plants cannot move from one place to another place. The plants cannot move from one place to another place. It can move only some part only can move because it is fixed on the ground. Isn't it? Root fixes the plant to the soil we studied. So it cannot move from one place to another place. Okay. But in the case of animals, animals can move from one place to another place. So these are the some difference between plants and animals. Okay. So first difference we told breathing. In the case of breathing. Okay. So how the plants breathe? Plants breathe by their leaves. Animals breathe by nose, gills or skin. Okay, then second difference, the way they reproduce. The plants reproduce by seeds, but animals reproduce by laying egg or give birth. Okay, then third one we studied, the plants can prepare their own food, but animals cannot prepare food. What they do? Animals eat plants or other animals. Then next we studied plants cannot move from one place to another place, but the animals can move from one place to another place. These are the some differences between plants and animals. Okay, now we can discuss workbook. Everybody take your workbook, children. So we have to complete worksheet 2 also. So everybody take page number 45 now. 45. So our lesson 2 is living or non-living. Living or non-living. So we can complete this table. How can we complete the table, children? So in this table some things are given. Some part it is blank also that we have to complete. So things are given in one column. Next one, living or non-living. It is living or non-living, we have to find out, and we have to write the reason also. Okay, so first one example is given for you. First one, thing is pencil. Pencil we can see here. Is it living or non-living? Yes, it is non-living. It is non-living because yes, it does not grow and does not need food. So example is given there. One example. Second one, it is coat. Okay, so is it living or non-living? Yes, it is non-living. So you can write there, it is non-living. Why it is non-living, children? Yes, it is non-living. So many reasons are there. It cannot grow, it cannot breathe, it cannot move by their own. So any one reason you can write. Okay, so we can write it does not grow. It does not grow. Okay, one reason enough. Then second one, it is mango. It is mango. Okay, so mango tree we can imagine it is mango tree. Okay, so is it living or non-living? Yes, it is living. It is living. Okay, mango tree. Okay, we can see only one part, but it is mango tree. Okay, so it is living thing. Why it is living thing? Yes, it can grow, it can breathe. Okay, so any answers you can write. So we can write here, it can breathe. it can breathe or it can grow. Any answer you can. Okay. Then next one, we two table is missing here. So what we have to do, children? Yes, you can draw any one picture, any one living thing you can draw here. So I draw one fish here. Okay. So you can draw any one living thing. I draw one fish. Okay, so it is living thing. How we understood it is living thing? Yes, it can move. It can move by their own, or it can move. We can give. Okay. Then next one also, it is blank. So we have to draw one non-living thing. So what we will draw as a non-living thing? Yes, we can draw one. Yes, we can draw one. Okay, non-living thing. Why it is non-living thing? Yes, it cannot any other. It cannot feel. It cannot breathe. It does not need food. Okay, so any one you can write. It does not need food. It does not need food. Okay, so this is the way you can give the answer. Any one reason you can write because you studied all the features of living thing. Okay, then second one, circle the odd one out, give reason for your answer. So you can see three pictures are given there. Flower, hat, then one chick. So which is odd one here? Yes, it is hat is odd one. So you can circle hat. Why hat is odd one? Yes, we can see other two are living thing. Hat is non-living thing. So how can you can write the reason? Yes, hat is non-living thing. Okay. So you can write hat. Hat is non-living thing. Hat is non-living thing and other two are living thing. Okay, like that way also you can write. Okay, so circle the odd one out. It is hat is the odd one because hat is non-living thing. Okay, or it cannot grow. Anything you can write. So this is the way only you have to complete S2. Now everybody need to take S3. Next, everybody take page number 46, S3, plants and animals. Okay, so first question is write P if the sentence describes a plant and A if it describes an animal. Okay, so the first question is they cannot move from one place to another place. They cannot move from one place to another. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, it is plant. So you can write P. You can write P. Okay. Then second one, they cannot make their own food. Is it A or P? They cannot make their own food. Yes, it is animals. Animals cannot prepare their own food. So you can write there A. Then C. They have roots, shoots and leaves. Yes, which has leaves? Plant. So you can write P. Okay. Then D. Next question is they bear colorful flowers. Yes, which will bear colorful flowers? Plants. So you can write P. Okay. The next one, some of them lay eggs to have young ones. Yes, animals. Yes, it is animals. So we can write A. So this is the way you have to complete that. Okay. What is the difference in the way plants and animals get their food? So you can see first plants. How the plants get food, children? So you can write there plants in this place. In the place of plants you have to write plants prepare their own food. Plants prepare their own food. Plants prepare their own food. Okay, then animals what they do? They cannot prepare their own food, right? So what they do? Animals eat plants or other animals. So animals eats plants or other animals. Animals eat plants or other animals. Okay, so this is the way you can write the answer. Got it. Then third question. Write 3 ways in which plants and animals are different from each other. So we studied many ways they are different. So how can we write the differences, children? So first difference we can write plants make their own food. Plants make their own food. Their own food. Then next difference what? So how the animals Yes, animals, but animals eat. But animals eat plants or other animals. Plants or other animals. Okay. So three ways we have to write. So one way it is given. Then second way. So you have to write, children. Make it small and write. Otherwise the space will not be enough. Okay. Then second one. How the plants reproduce? Yes. Plants reproduce by seeds. Plants reproduce through. Plants reproduce by their through seeds. Through seeds. Then how animals reproduce? Animals reproduce by laying egg. Animals reproduce by laying egg or give birth. Laying egg or give birth. Okay. So that is the second difference. Then we can write one more difference. Okay. Plants cannot move. Plants cannot move. Cannot move from one place to another place. Move from one place to another place. One place to another place. One place to another place. But animals can move. But animals can move. Okay, so plants cannot move from one place to another place, but animals can move. So these are the three differences between plants and animals. Okay, so you have to write three differences. Plants make their own food, but animals eat plants or other animals. Plants reproduce through seeds. Animals reproduce by laying egg or give birth. Okay, giving birth. Then plants cannot move from one place to another place, but animals can move from one place to another place. Okay, this is the way you have to write that answer. Now, fourth question. Write two ways in which bird is different from a dog. Fourth question. Write two ways in which a bird different from a dog. So, how the bird is different from a dog? Yes, first one, birds. First difference we can find that birds lay eggs. Birds lay eggs. What the dogs are doing? Yes, dogs give birth. Okay, so we can write dogs give birth. Give birth to their young ones. Give birth to their young ones. That is the one difference we can write. Okay, so we have to write two differences we have to write. So one more difference we need to write. So we can write birds can fly. Birds fly. Birds fly. Then what the dogs do? Birds fly and dogs walk and run. Dogs walk and run. Okay, so you otherwise how you can write birds can fly, dogs cannot fly, they can walk and run. So like that way you can write the difference. So okay, then you can write many other difference. Birds have beak, dogs do not have beak. Dogs have 4 legs, birds have only 2 legs. Okay, so like that way you can find out many differences between dog and birds. Okay, so this is the way only you have to complete your workbook. Now let us discuss practice questions. So practice question 4. Practice question 4 we have to write. A car moves from one place to another. Why is it a non-living thing? So that is the question. A car moves from one place to another place. But why is it a non-living thing? Yes, it is non-living thing because it cannot move by their own. Isn't it? The car cannot move by their own. And it cannot breathe and it cannot grow also. Isn't it? It needs some petrol or diesel is needed for move. So how can we write the answer? The cars move from one place to another place. Why is it a non-living thing? Car is a non-living thing because it cannot move by their own. Okay, it cannot breathe and it cannot grow. Many reasons you can write. Okay, then how are plants and animals different from each other? So many differences we discussed. Breathing, animals breathe through their nose, gills and skin, but plants breathe through their leaves. Animals reproduce by laying egg or giving birth. Plants reproduce by seeds. Okay, animal cannot prepare their own food. They eat plants or other animals, but plants can prepare their own food. Animals can move from one place to another place, but plants cannot move from one place to another place. Okay, these all are some differences. So you can write any two differences. Okay, next question is, what are the different ways in which animals reproduce? So animals reproduce by two ways. One way, some animals are laying egg and some animals are giving birth to their young ones. Okay, these are the two ways animals can reproduce. So these are the questions we have to discuss in today's class. So hope you all understood today's class. So we will meet in the next class. Okay, bye.